Hello everyone, this is Ida again, and on the last video I introduced our three models of Windows speaker system. It is the most popular type in our Retekess company, and now I will show you the TW106. This is the black type, the only black one in our company, and I will introduce more details about it and about how to use it and how to adjust it. As you can see, this is an adapter for the Windows speaker system. We will send the adapters based on the country. We have 4 types, so no need to worry about the adapter. Sorry. As you can see, this is the power jacket, and this is the rack for the record. This is for the mic, and this is for the this one. This is for the customer side, and this is for the staff side. This is the this one is we can screw it out like this. It can screw out like this. We can fix it like this. When we use it, we need to power it on and put it. As you can see, there is also a button on the main equipment. This is for the on and this is for the off. When we put it on, the power light will be red, and then we can talk. And you can see this is for the staff side, and this is for the customer side. And this one is the 5 powers. So when you speak it, we need to keep the staff side and the customer side as far as. So when we use it, there are the glasses. They are always in the glasses between the customer side and the staff side, so the noise will be lower. And you can see this is for the inside, this is for the outside. If you want to talk on the staff side, you need to put this on and then speak. Text 1 2 3. Text 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. And this is for the volume. This is for the lower and bigger. We can see. I will change it more louder. Text 1 2 3. Text 1 2 3. Text 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. And there is a good feature for this auto type is that when the speaker working, the light will be flash too. You can see that. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. And if you don't want to the input work, you can press this key, and when you press this key, the customer side can talk. Make sure that the distance between the staff side and the customer side as far as, or it will be noisy. I will talk. Text 1 2 3. Text 1 2 3. You can adjust the volume. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. If we beat the clover, you can see that there will be noisy. So just make sure that the distance between the two sides as far as below. And one mention we need to confirm that when we adjust the volume, for the speaker, for the staff side, we need to press this key, and for the customer side, we need to press this key, input, output. And for this type, it is for the 5 watts. We only have 2 types for the 5 watts. One is the TW106, and the other type is 105. The 5 watts means the speaker and the mic has a large volume. And this one is, we also have the other type such as the TW104, TW103, TW102, and TW101. If you want to know more about our items, you can visit our website www.retekess.com or email us at support@retekess.com. We will be here waiting for a message. So see you next time. Bye.